Guess what? We're about to head to another country for the day. Road trip to Lithuania! Lithuania!
Yeah! But depending on who's
Jenny!
Yes.
Get in the van. Get in the van. Get in the van.
Danny,
in the
we need
van.
you in here with us. You're part
Get
of
in
the
the
team.
van.
Get in the van.
It's very aggressive
the van.
on our way to Lithuania already.
Get in the
How can I
van.
phrase this to sound like a scary person? Hey, little girl, please get in the van. I have candy.
Oh my god!
Don't put that in the video.
Get in the van. Get in the van.
I'm slowly backing away.
Danny.
Okay, I'm gonna get in the van!
She's panning.
She's panning. A classic coffee pan.
And so there's my beautiful team.
Vlogging, coffee vlogging.
It's a vlog within a vlog.
Wow.
Within the vlog.
Inception.
Wow.
Some wizard sticks.
Some wizard sticks. This is a delicious new cereal in our lives. Only 70 cents of the euro for a
Yes.
box of wizard sticks.
Approximately this large.
Yeah. That was unexpected. I thought they would be thin.
Yeah.
They're puffy. Puffy wizard sticks.
Puffy wizard sticks.
What a treat.
coffee.
Car dance partying. No one's mad at that.
And whoa! It happened.
Wow.
We're in Lithuania now.
I've never been to Lithuania.
I haven't either.
Brittany, have you been to Lithuania?
No.
Alicia, have you been to
Never
Lithuania?
in my whole life.
Coffee, have you been to Lithuania?
We have a vlogging
Hi.
No, this is my first time. Look at
Mackenzie, have you been to Lithuania?
I don't think so. Nope. Nope.
We're in Lithuania, and I've never been here.
But now we can all say that we have been to Lithuania.
Hashtag 12 and 11.
Hey.
Hashtag 13 and 11.
One up.
No one likes a one-upper.
No.
Brittany,
You're so mean.
what are your thoughts on the fact that coffee is here in Lithuania and she's considering which oil to buy for her car at home, which she won't see for, I don't know, several
I
months.
think this one. No, it's 10W40. That's the kind I get.
This is the first thing you've selected to do with your time in Lithuania. Pick out car oil.
Or maybe that one. 5W40. No, that's not a good one. 10W40. That's the one my car takes.
For all the viewers at home.
That's your
W40. My team leader uses that on her vehicle. Gas station culture is universal. You can always count on the coffee. Good morning.
Good morning.
We're in Lithuania.
That we
I
are.
don't think that you can.
We don't think we can. Here's Alicia sharing. We cannot film.
But we don't speak Lithuanian.
Oh, we can film? Oh, maybe it
We
just
don't speak
means
Lithuanian? Is that sign
there are
still for us?
security cameras.
Security camera.
There are security cameras.
Never
So,
mind.
Lithuania is pro vlogging. In fact, they're vlogging our experience right now. So we can only respect that. Alicia, what are your first thoughts of being in the Lithuania?
14 and 11. That's my first thought, actually.
Ugh, no one likes a one-upper. We already talked about this.
And also, we're about to go over looks like a drawbridge.
Oh yeah,
I'm pretty
Let's take
stoked
a
about
look.
it, actually.
I think this will be very fun.
I do love castles.
Here we go.
Oh,
That's natural coffee.
What exactly are you wanting to happen in Lithuania?
These are my mom's favorite flowers. This hill is quite steep. Wow! Look, Mom! They smell so good! Just so you know, Mom, Lithuanian lilacs smell just as good as the one at Home's. And I wish I could give these to you. Wow!
This afternoon.
Wow.
Well, around lunchtime, and now we're there.
Wow. Doing a road trip of all of Lithuania. So great. And I've napped all over Lithuania as well.
Me too.
I earlier dedicated an episode to my dear friend Chrissy, who was my supervisor when I worked for Soul City Kids Camp over the summer, and I wanted to recognize her mother for this episode. I thought it was appropriate because Chrissy studied abroad in Lithuania, and so there's a little shout out to her in our side trip to Lithuania. And Chrissy's mom is incredible. I have never met her, and she learned about me being a part of the world race through Chrissy and was just moved and it felt called to contribute, and I think that is such an incredible example of having an obedient heart, of having an enthusiasm to partner with what God can do through different ministries across the world. And so I just want to say thank you so much for being a part of this partnership, for this experience without even having met me. I'm so grateful for you and so grateful for your daughter, and I hope to meet you one day. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful.